Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get up to perform the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, I turn my face to him who created the heavens and the earth perfectly, and I am not amongst the polytheists. Undoubtedly my prayer and my sacrifice and my life and my death are all for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the Lord of all the worlds, who has got no partner. That is what I have been commanded, and I am of the Muslims. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are the King, and there is no one worthy of worship saves you. You are my Lord, and I am your bondsman. I have wronged myself, I confess to my sins. So pardon my all sins, for none but you alone pardon sins, and guide me to the best manners, as none but you alone can guide to the best of them. Keep the worst qualities from me, and none but you alone can remove the worst of them from me. I am ready to serve you, and I am obedient to you. Each good is in your hands, control, and no evil pertains to you. I seek your help and come into your refuge. You are blessed and exalted. I seek your pardon and turn to you. And in the bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I bow down for your pleasure. I believe in you and obey you. My ears, my eyes, my brain, my bones, and my sins all fear you. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get up from bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, our Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, you are worthy of that praise which will fill in all heavens and the whole earth, and all what is in them, rather fill in the space as much as you please. And in the prostration, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I prostrate myself to please you. I believe in you and obey you. My face is prostrating itself before him who created it, gave it a form, and carved its ears and eyes. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the blessed and the best creator. And the end, between tashahhud and salutation, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, forgive my those acts which I performed formally and which I will do later, which I did secretly and openly, and any transgression which I did, and pardon those acts which you know better than I. You are the one who puts forward and puts back, and there is no worthy of worship saves you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1809.